Let me ask you something honest. You work hard, you try, you want a better life, but at the end of every month, the money is gone, the account is empty, and you're sitting there wondering, what am I doing wrong? This story will answer that question. There was a young man named Ravi. Ravi was 24, smart guy, not lazy. He had a job. He earned money every month, but he was always broke, always borrowing, always stressed, always saying, next month will be better. But next month was never better. One day, Ravi was sitting under a tree near a river, feeling hopeless. An old man sat beside him, calm face, simple clothes, kind eyes. "Why do you look so lost, son?" the old man asked. Ravi sighed. "Uncle, I earn money, but I don't know where it goes. I'm always broke. I'm tired of this life." The old man smiled gently. "Let me tell you a story," he said. Once, there was a village with a water problem. Every day the villagers had to walk 2 miles to a lake to collect water. It was hard. It was tiring. The village chief said, "Whoever brings us water every day will be paid well." 2 young men stepped up, Arun and Suresh. Arun grabbed 2 big buckets. Every morning he walked to the lake, filled his buckets, walked back, sold the water, and collected his money. He was happy. He was earning. Suresh didn't pick up any buckets. Instead, he said, "I'm going to build a pipeline." Everyone laughed. "A pipeline? That'll take months. You'll earn nothing." And they were right. For 6 months, Suresh earned nothing. He worked every weekend. He dug. He built. Slowly, quietly. Arun, meanwhile, was spending his money. New clothes, good food, evening entertainment. Why not? He was earning daily, right? Then one day, the pipeline was ready. Water started flowing automatically into the village every single day, without Suresh having to walk even 1 step. Arun still walked his 2 miles every single day. But Suresh, he was sleeping in, and money was still coming in. The old man stopped and looked at Ravi. "Tell me, son, which man are you?" Ravi opened his mouth, then closed it. He knew the answer. He was Arun, earning daily, spending daily, walking in circles, never building anything, never saving anything, never creating anything that works for him. That hit him like a rock. He thought about last month. He earned well. But there was that new phone, those restaurant dinners with friends, that online shopping at midnight, small things, one by one, gone. He wasn't broke because he didn't earn enough. He was broke because he never built a pipeline. That night, Ravi made a decision. Not a big dramatic one, just a small, quiet one. He opened his phone, created a separate bank account, called it Pipeline Fund. Every month, before spending anything, even before buying groceries, he moved 10% of his salary there. Just 10%. That's it. Then he started learning. 1 free YouTube video a day about money, about skills, about how to make money work for him. He stopped eating out 4 times a week. Twice was enough. He stopped buying things to impress people who didn't care about him. Small changes, boring changes, but real changes. 6 months later, Ravi had saved enough to buy a small course. He learned a digital skill, started freelancing on weekends. A year later, he had 2 income streams. He wasn't rich, but he wasn't broke anymore. And for the first time in years, he wasn't stressed on the last day of the month. Here's the truth nobody tells you. You're not broke because you're unlucky. You're not broke because life is unfair. You're broke because you're only carrying buckets every day and spending everything in them before tomorrow comes. The rich don't just earn more. They build pipelines. They save first, spend second. They invest in skills, not just stuff. They create income that flows even when they sleep. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to be born rich. You just need to stop walking in circles and start building. Start small. Start today. Even 500 rupees a month is a pipeline beginning. The water won't flow on day one, but one day it will. And on that day, you'll thank yourself for starting. If this story made you think, share it with one friend who needs to hear it. And remember, the best time to build your pipeline was yesterday. The second best time? Right now.